Where are the pugs? Where have those pugs gone? I see their kibble, but I don't see them. Uh-oh. There's Percy. Where's Freddie? Percy's eating it all up. What about Fred? What about Fred? Oh no. Where are the puppies? Where are those puppies? Do you want your kibble? I see your kibble, but I don't see the puppies. There's one of them. Come on, Fred. Come on, then. Oh, they're both getting involved. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Where are those pugs? Puppies, where are you? There's Percy coming in, taking all the kibble. Freddie. Come on, Fred. Where are those pugs? Where are those pugs? Where are those pugs? Where are those puggies? There they are. There they both are. Munching up their kibble. Oh, boys. Yummy yum. Oh, it's a pug takeover. Hey, Pug.